Hello everybody, my name is Alan Carion. I am the founder and inventor, also honored as an outstanding scientist from England. Um, I would like to share to you my invention regarding UIG Earth calls. We provide services, um, earthquakes, to prevent them from happening and stopping them in case of current uh, occurrences, global warming, weather modification technology like the rain, volcanic eruptions. We do that also. Some more like tornadoes, hurricanes. We stop them from happening to let you avoid a disasters, a calamity, a forsaken family, a forsaken city, a damage of billions and millions, a suffering of illnesses and diseases, displacement, and other matters involved in a calamity. Please visit our website at www.freewebs.com/earthdonate, or you can go directly to the services at www.earthcall.biz.ly. I repeat those two websites. It's www.freewebs.com/earthdonate, and the other website is www.earthcalls.biz.ly. You may contact us directly in case a current event is happening at my mobile number 63917-931-3807. Again, that's 63917-931-3807. That is the mobile number here in the Philippines. And the telephone number you may contact at 632-472-8018 or 901-7896. The area code is 632. Let me repeat those two numbers: 632-472-8018 and 632-472-8018. Remember that number. You can report us if we are doing fraud or scheme to extort money. You can report us to the nearest authorities in your area or in your country, or report us. We are challenging you to help yourself, your family, your city, and your country. Thank you very much. And an additional information I would like to share to you: a global warming is a serious matter. Let's all work to address this problem, serious problem, and we must pay for it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.